So guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing well. So yes, I hope you are following all the instructions are given in module 1 and module 2, like how to think, how to design, the principle of designs, and lot of stuffs and the points. Please look, each and everything, whatever we delivered or whatever I speaks to you. Look, each and every points are like very precious point for me because I research a lot. From that I jot down the points, which one I can show it to you, which one you will feel bored. According to that I have to recreate it. So please don't waste your time and do something positive things, right? So I hope you guys know in this module 3, the this topic we're gonna learn the color theories. Fine. So I will try to divide this entire color theory topic into 3 segments: the part 1 segment, the part 2 segment, and the part 3 segment. Why? In the first part we will talk about the color mixing, the color theories, the primary color, the secondary color, the tertiary colors, then the hue, value, intensity, etc. So let's start with our new topic. It's called color theory. Look guys, color theory is, it's ultimate thing. You have to choose color according, if you can choose color for your artwork according to the grammar or according to this color wheel or color theory, yes, your artwork can be eye catchy. Your artwork can be attract customers. So yes, look, first know the rules, then you can break the rules. So know the rules. If you feel yes, now you can break it in this another way you have, but fine. So let's go for it. So all we gonna learn the fundamentals and understanding. Fine. So here we are. The principal shading wheel was planned by Sir Isaac Newton in 1666. Can you imagine? He created for the kindergarten kids. Fine. So it totally originates before first experience with it in kindergarten. Look, craftsmen, planners actually use it to create shading harmonies, blending and palettes. So you can see there's a small GIF popping up in my screen, like primary, secondary, tertiary. Fine. So we will talk about this. What is primary color? What is secondary color? What is tertiary color? So what is primary color, what is secondary color, and what is tertiary color in a very straight, cause let's not drag it in like a chewing gum, this topic, cause you are not a kid, so let's not spoon feed. Fine, you are enough smart, I know. So the shading will comprises of 3 primary tones, red, yellow and blue, 3 secondary tones, color made when essentially tones are blended, green, orange and purple. Like this secondary color basically is originates from the primary color. Fine. Why primary color? Because primary color is the main base part of my color. Please keep it in your mind. Primary color is my main base part of my color. Then the secondary color. Secondary color is generates from my primary color as well. So yes, and tertiary colors. There are 6 total tertiary colors. Like the all the tones you can see on screen. So what is primary colors? Primary colors is a red, yellow and blue. Then what is the secondary colors? The secondary colors are like the orange, green and purple. And 6 tertiary tones, colors produced using essential and optional tones, for example blue green or red violet or brown, or not exactly brown, so blue green or in a like the middle tone of the colors. So if you can my previous slide, then you can understand. Look, primary color, secondary color, tertiary color. So if the red is a primary color, Violet is the secondary color. In between of the red and violet is my tertiary color. So it's not too tough. Look, if you buy a new bat, you know what you have to do. You have to season the bat. Why? Because a new face never know how to react. Fine. So it's like season yourself. In a one night or in a one sudden day, you can't be a color theorist. So please take your time. We never know. Like maybe Sir Isaac Newton takes for 14 years for create this color palette, or maybe 14 days, or maybe 14 hours, or maybe 14 minutes. We never know about it. So don't worry about it. Fine. So I hope the primary color, what is the secondary color, and what is the tertiary color part is complete. So what you need to do, you need to research from your end, like how these three colors are blended in the nature, how these three colors portray within themselves in nature. You have to find these three tones in nature first. Go outside, see it first. You have to do it Google. I mean, what you have to do, research, because you are not billionaire or trillionaire that you can roam around the sea all over the world. So there's a Google. Go and roam around the cities, understand some photographies, the color tones, the each and everything's, and yes, then you experiment through yourself. So thanks. In this session, there's nothing new to speak. It's like what I have gathered, all the solid points I have delivered. So in the next session, what we gonna learn? We're gonna learn hue, the saturation, the value, and the shade. And in this shade part, what we gonna learn? We're gonna learn like what is tint, what is tone, and what is shade. Fine. So thanks guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.